Hey everyone, today let's talk about fruit doves. These birds are part of the pigeon family and are found in the lush forests of Southeast Asia, Australia, and the Pacific Islands. Known for their stunning, vibrant plumage, fruit doves come in colors ranging from green and purple to pink and orange. They mainly feed on fruits like figs and berries, playing a crucial role in seed dispersal. Unfortunately, many species are threatened by habitat loss, making conservation efforts vital. Next time you're in a tropical forest, keep an eye out for these beautiful birds. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.